What's up everybody? Welcome back to the Krystal Palace, and it's 8:30 p.m. I've never started a video this late before, so you are in for a treat today because we are starting at, of course, EPCOT. Then we're hopping over to Magic Kingdom. Magic Kingdom closes at 11 p.m. We're gonna try to get a bunch of stuff done. Hopefully see the Hatbox Ghost who just materialized in Magic Kingdom. But first we have to start at, of course, EPCOT. Let's go. It is also so humid, so I apologize in advance for my hair. And I'm by myself right now. We're gonna be meeting up with some friends, but for now it's just me and you. So I hope you're ready to listen because we're gonna be in for a treat. Hello.
Welcome.
Thank you so much.
Nice to see you again. Let's put your finger over there. See the fireworks with that little boost. Hey, whoopsie.
Oh no. And it's
it.
Woo! I did it. Thank you. I'm the charm. All right, we're in. So I don't really have a plan. I know that Figment is like a walk-on, so I want to go do that while my friends are at the candlelight processional. I'm not going to do that tonight. Maybe we'll save it for another night. But for now, let's go try to ride Figment. This is also my first time in EPCOT for Festival of the Holidays since 2008. I haven't been to EPCOT during Christmas time since 2008, so I'm very excited to be here tonight, even if it's just for a little bit. I love the UK decorations. How cool are these lights? I love when the World Showplace bathrooms are open. They're open right now. They are the best. If you're passing them and you have to go in there because there's so many bathrooms in there. I absolutely just love the merch in Canada. We're at this little booth in the Canada Pavilion and it's all hockey. How fun is that? I actually have this ornament, this hockey puck one. Look at that, maple syrup. Oh, I miss Canada. These ears are super cute too. Before we get on Figment, I might get something to eat if I run into anything. I don't think I want anything from here. All right, I should be going this way towards Figment, but I gotta go see this tree because it's beautiful. We'll never be over Spaceship Earth and how gorgeous it is. And here is that amazing tree. Look at that. So gorgeous. Thumbnail. This tree is gorge. All right, let's head to Figment. We're almost there. The last time we were in EPCOT, we tried 4 times to go meet Figment and also ride the ride, and it was closed every single time. So that's why I'm determined to ride it tonight and see Figment in his holiday sweater. Literally the reason I came to EPCOT first is for you, Figgy. And a walk-on, we'd love to see it. Imagination Institute Inventor of the Year. Wow, good for him. Figment appreciation post, honestly. Who else loves this ride? I mean, I don't know if you love it, but I'll go on it if it's a walk-on, you know? I got my whole car to myself. I'm so happy right now. I really am. This is great.
On your tour, you'll see how the 5 human senses can help capture your imagination.
Oh, can I go too?
Absolutely not. This is one of our discoveries, the figment of imagination.
Yeah, I know all about the senses. There's sight, sound, smell, touch, coochie-coochie-coo, and taste. Tastes like chicken. It's about listening with your imagination.
Now I've completely...
Your ears are hearing 1,000 thoughts. Can start appealing. Mind sees more than what your eyes see. It's downside up and upside down. Imagination, a dream can be a dream come.
Jump scare.
Right at the start.
Well, that was great. I'm satisfied. One day I'll meet you, Figment. But for now, we went on the ride. It's too late to meet Figment, but maybe next time. How cute is this Figment? I love him. Okay, 2 things. This Mickey pretzel has become so expensive. I was actually shocked when she told me the price. $7.85. $7.85. And I got a Coke too. But wow, it's also so dark in this park. All right, so it's 9:25. I kind of just loitered here on this bench for a little bit, waiting for the candlelight processional to get out. And I also had to post a bunch of pictures because we actually just got back from SeaWorld, so that's why we're here so late. We had an amazing day at SeaWorld. Be sure to go check out that video for their Christmas celebration. But now, candlelight is ended. We're gonna meet up with our friends, and then we're gonna head over to Magic Kingdom. It is super late. It's past my bedtime. Usually I'm like winding down, getting ready to go to bed at this time. So let's join. Come on, let's go. on this adventure together. We're gonna check out Journey of Water at night because it's lit up so nicely. Wow, this is really, really cool at night with Spaceship Earth. I love how the ponds are lit up too. It's so beautiful. If you want to see more of the interactive water features, check out my other video from EPCOT. I will link it in the description down below. So pretty. I love it at night, like so much. All right, time to go to the Magic Kingdom. All right, let's go. Squishing, squishing. We're doing it, folks. We're doing it. Here we go. Look who we're with. All right, monorail number 2 here at the TTC. We're gonna make our way to the Magic Kingdom. It's 10:03, so we're gonna have a little under an hour to do everything we need to do.
The Magic Kingdom, please.
Woo! Next stop, Magic Kingdom. Let's go. All right, we made it. We have literally 45 minutes, but our plan is we mobile ordered something, I'll show you, from Sleepy Hollow, and then we're going to head over to the Haunted Mansion and hop on that line before 11 p.m. so we could see Mr. Hatbox Ghost. We have arrived. I know I just said this about EPCOT, but I have not been to Magic Kingdom for Christmas since 2008. You're experiencing the first in over 10 years. It's so pretty. Oh, I love it. Woo! We got this, folks. We're hustling, bustling. Magic Kingdom at night is magical, let alone Magic Kingdom at night during the holidays. We're walking right down the middle of Main Street, USA. It's crazy how many people are still coming into the park, let alone how many people are still here. And it's closing in just 45 minutes. People want Magic Kingdom. Good thing they close late. Oh, what's up everybody? Welcome back to the Krystal Palace. I'm obsessed with this frozen overlay on the castle. It is so beautiful. Wow. Really looks great. OMG, this is so pretty over here. Wow, I love all the lights. That's gorgeous. All right, I just checked in my mobile order, so I'm waiting for that, but look at this castle. One more look because it is beautiful. And I'm the biggest fan of the castle dream lights. I wish they would come back. They were my favorite ever, but it does look good, but nothing can beat the dream lights. Let me know in the comments, what do you like better, projections or dream lights? They're still frying up the funnel cakes and the hot dogs here. It smells delicious too, honestly. It's 10:29. Alyssa got a corn dog. It smells so good. They were making them in there, did you see?
10 out of 10.
Yes.
They're hand-dipped corn dogs.
Slay. They look amazing.
Yeah.
I picked this adorable Donald Duck Christmas tree sipper up for a giveaway that I was running over on Instagram. Be sure to follow me at the Krystal Palace _. The giveaway is now closed, but you know there's going to be a lot more giveaways to come in the future, so be sure to stay tuned. But this one was absolutely the cutest little sipper. All right, now it's finally time to go on the Haunted Mansion. Okay, just found out he lights up too, so that's literally even better. Look how amazing this is. You could win it, guys. You can win it. And it has different modes, like this one dims. How cute. All right, it's 10:59. It says there's a 30-minute wait. Everyone wants to see the Hatbox Ghost. Open for visitation. I love it. All right, 11:04. The park is closed. We're going into the stretching room.
Almost as though you sense a disquieting metamorphosis. Is this haunted room actually stretching? Or is it your imagination?
11:07. We're about to get in our dune buggy and see the Hatbox Ghost.
Marble busts of the greatest ghost writers the literary world has ever known.
This is literally the perfect spot to be stopped because we get a perfect view of Mr. Hatbox. They should have had this in when the movie came out. because the whole Haunted Mansion movie was about him, and I loved the Haunted Mansion movie. Let me know in the comments if you enjoyed the movie. I did, but it was all about the Hatbox Ghost. They just put him in literally the last day of November. This is actually amazing how we're just stopped here right in front of him. I love this. This was worth it to come to Magic Kingdom tonight, just for this. Why did that door open? Bye, Mr. Hatbox. See you next time.
That's wild.
That was great. We got like a extended viewing of him. They should really put like a Christmas tree or just something in here. I know we won't get all of Haunted Mansion Holiday, but at least put up a Christmas tree. We have a hitchhiking ghost. Oh no, he's following us home. Those screens look better, don't they? That was super successful because we got stopped right in front of Hatbox Ghost, so we got to check him out for quite a bit. And we did it. The park is closed. We rode Haunted Mansion. We got our sippers. That was a successful night. And 45 minutes in Magic Kingdom, riding Figment in EPCOT. Krystal Palace approved tonight. So fun fact from behind the attraction, the lanterns on this tree, there's 13 for the 13 colonies. Look how magical this is. Doesn't get better than this. All right, Magic Kingdom, that does it for us. Call it a win, call it a successful night. Thanks for watching, coming along with me on this fun journey. See you guys in the next one. Be sure to give it a like and subscribe to the Krystal Palace for more fun, and because it's Christmas, it's the holidays. Peace. And the monorail with its Christmas lights is stuck right above the Magic Kingdom.